Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. Today's quick tip will save you quite a bit of money. And we're going to talk about hubcaps. The reason we're going to talk about them, because many people that are getting into the industry as enthusiasts or maybe as professional technicians, they haven't even seen hubcaps. So when they're faced with a challenge of installing them, removing seems easy, you pop them, comes off, but reinstalling them could be challenging. So you can see these two, one is old, one is new. The reason this one is new, because the other one broke and it didn't have to break. So to avoid that, we're going to show you a couple of tips. So first of all, when you go to install the hubcap, apply some WD-40 on the inside lip of the hubcap. And the other thing we're going to do is we're going to go that way with the camera. And here is going to be our wheel. The points for where the hubcap goes. It may have some rust, it may have some roughness. That should be cleaned up. After it's cleaned, wipe it down with WD-40, okay? And then you're gonna take your hubcap and you're gonna go here on one side and then touch the other side. And you can see how much gap we have. And now, this is the trick. You try to rotate it. Don't try to put it on as soon as you put it, because it may land like here. See how much distance we have. But if I rotate this, that closes in a little bit more, and that's even more. So I'm finding this way, I'm finding the position how the hubcap was installed previously. And what it does is that it will take a lot less effort to pop that on, which means you're less likely to bend it or to crack this valuable Alfa Romeo plastic ring. And by the way, to save those rings from falling off, you can put a little bit of sealant on the inside tabs. So now that we found the position, we're gonna lift it up as much as we can, and you can just give it a light tap while pushing it and lifting it up, and kind of go this way, and it's gonna go right on. And then you don't have to use that, but we have this fancy mallet. It's got a special silicone fill inside. That way we can kind of like settle things. Oh, you see that? That was good. You want to go around and make sure if anything clicks, that's good, because that means there was a little bit of more room there. And then you're still going to wipe things down, kind of remove your fingerprints, and we're good to go. Hopefully it will save your hubcap. Thanks for watching this video. This is a very enjoyable Alfa Romeo GTV 1971. We know this car very well, restored it, and we're maintaining it for a customer. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button.